don't just want a car, you want a sanctuary. Introducing the all-new Atheris sedan with whisper-quiet cabin technology and an interior designed around you. It's not just about getting to your destination, it's about arriving inspired. Atheris.
This case, People versus Keenan Grimes.
Public Defender Natalie Payton, and on behalf of Mr. Grimes, who stands to my right, please state your name for the record, sir.
Teresa Claire on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Mr. Grimes is before the court for a violation of probation hearing. Mr. Grimes was sentenced in this case in September of 2015. He was originally given a heightened sentence that was revoked back in 2016. Since that time, Your Honor, Mr. Grimes is still in violation of any of the court's orders. In that he has a balance of $1,503. He did have a payment that was made to the court in April of 2023. However, that was due to a garnishment that the court had set out. There is a balance of that of restitution that is $265.05. Mr. Grimes failed to report to probation, failed to complete the class, failed to complete 25 hours of community service, failed to provide proof of his GED, failed to provide proof of employment. He also has new pending cases, 1 out of 42, that's a domestic violence alleged date of offense of November 7, 2019. He has a pretrial in that matter on the 27th in 2 days. He also has a pending case out of 14B, an aggravated assault, an alleged date of offense of May 31st, 2024. He has a pretrial in that case in July 25th of 2024. Given the non-compliance by Mr. Grimes, probation is recommending 93 days in jail with credit for 13 days served, that he served the balance, waive remaining terms, accept his financial obligations, and discharge him from probation.
Thank you, Your Honor. I did have the opportunity to discuss both the alleged violations of probation as well as the recommendation with Mr. Grimes. He does acknowledge the violations of probation. Our request at this time is for the to respectfully request the court to considering discharging him from probation without improvement. Of course, still imposing the financial obligations. We are respectfully requesting the court to consider not remanding him today, as he did serve 13 days already so far for his violations. He does have full-time work at Noodles and Company. He has been employed there full-time for 4 months. His 2 cases that are pending are misdemeanor matters and are still pending at this time. We are respectfully requesting the court to discharge him from probation without improvement and to not impose any additional jail time at this time.
Young man, anything you want to say?
I can pay 150 today if needed.
Pardon?
I can pay 150 today.
I'm not really worried necessarily about the money. I'm trying to figure out why you didn't do anything.
Yeah, I've just been all over the place. So, but I am trying to get them off my record. So,
Pardon?
I said I've been all over the place, but I am trying to clear my record. So that's what I'm here.
You got 2. Ms. Valera, that date of offense on the domestic was in 2019, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
And what, was he just on bench warrant stat? What? All right, anything else you want to say? We're going to waive all remaining terms and set the financial obligations, discharge him from probation without improvement. Then you have an sentence to 93 days in jail. She's looking at that. You have a new, brand new balance. Defendant's remanded. On this case,
he going to jail.
And on a bench warrant on the other case,
Damn,
you got a
he
new
going to
ag
jail.
assault that you picked up on May 31st.
That's an alleged case, though.
What?
That's an alleged case, though. I was arrested for warrants.
He's
I
been
just-
utilizing
I realize it's alleged. They're all alleged until you come to court to take care of it. People versus DeMarcus Washington.
Good morning, Assistant
Yes, he was on
Senator
that
Warren Kearney on behalf of Mr. Washington. Ms. Washington,
All right.
can you unmute and
anything
state
else
your
you
name for the
wanna say?
record, please?
My name is Demarcus Washington. Demarcus
We're
Daquan
gonna
Washington.
waive all remaining terms and set the financial
Honor,
obligations.
there are two
discharge him from
files,
probation without
in front of
improvement.
you.
Defendant is sentenced to
One,
93
he
days
owes
in
about
jail.
700
Given credit for
I'm sorry,
13, defendant
$500
served the
on,
balance.
or
Defendant's
525, I think, 507. He
Damn.
paid a $500
He going to
bond. On the
jail.
other one, I think that one he might owe
Damn,
325
he
and he
going to
paid a
jail.
$300 bond. He just got out of prison. In the last couple months, he's just getting back to working. I'd ask that you just apply
Did
the,
he pay the bond? I don't have. I had the bonds being set, but I don't have that he paid it. People versus DeMarcus
I'm not sure
Washington.
JAS just reflected that he paid bonds on both cases. Lauren Kearney on behalf of Mr. Washington. Ms. Washington,
You see
you
bonds
and me to
on
state your
either-
name for the record,
I see the
please.
bond
My
set.
name is
but I don't
Demarcus
see
Washington.
payment.
Demarcus Daquan Washington.
Your Honor, there are two files in front of you. One, he owes about $500 on, or 525, I think, 507. He paid a $500 bond. On the other
I see
one,
the
I think
bond set
that one he might
on
owe
each case, but I don't
325 and
see
he paid
that
a
he's paid it.
$300 bond.
Well, if I
just got
missed
out
what
of
JS, I
prison
apologize. I'd
in
ask
the last
then
couple
to
months
adjourn the
just
show
getting back
cause
to
so he
working.
can-
I'd ask
he's been in
that
prison
just
for
apply
5
them,
years. Did he
so
pay the
he's
bond?
kind of just getting back
I
on
don't
his feet.
have. I had the bonds being
And back to
set,
work.
but I don't have that he paid him.
I'm
Are
not
you
sure
working
JAS just
currently, sir?
reflected that he
Yes, I work at Deluxe
paid
Tints
bonds
and
on
Events
both
in Belleville.
cases.
And Judge
You see
Simpson, I
bonds
just
on
wanted to
either-
ask you,
I see the bond
as,
set, but I don't
you
see
know what I'm saying,
payment.
somebody who just did 5 years in prison. And, you know, these cases are misdemeanors. And I did just get sent to prison from Washington County. I was wanted to know if you could run anything
I
concurrent
see the bond
with the
set
time
on each
I've
case,
just
but I
done.
don't see
'Cause I
that
just
he's
came
paid it.
home May 30th, 29th.
Have,
Well, if I missed
Sir,
what
I don't
JS,
have
I
any proof that
apologize.
you did
I'd
any time
ask
in prison.
then
I don't
to
have any
adjourn
of
the
that
show
in
cause
front
so
of
he can, he's been in prison for
Okay.
5 years, so he's
Well,
kind of just
well,
getting back on his feet.
well,
I'm
saying they
back to work.
So I'm going to adjourn this to July 10th. Are you working currently, sir? 9 a.m.
Yes, I work
Council
at
get
Deluxe
together
Tints and
something
Events
for
in
me to take a
Belleville.
look at
Okay.
regarding that.
Mr. Simpson, I just wanted to ask you,
Well, thank you.
as
well as
you know what I'm saying, somebody who just did 5 years in prison.
case if I decide
And,
that
you know,
he needs
these
to at
cases
least pay
are
one of these, how he would
misdemeanors.
attempt, how
And
he
I
would do
did
that.
just get sent to prison from Washington
you.
County.
Thank
So
you.
July 10th. Wanted
July
to know
10th.
if you could run
And
anything
next,
concurrent
make sure that you
with the time
understand how to work
I've
Zoom
just
so you're
done.
not
'Cause I
interrupting
just
my
came
court.
home May 30th. Yes, sir. 29th.
Thank you. Sir, I don't have any proof that you did any time in prison. I don't have any of that in front of
I
me.
don't have a phone number to call, so I don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, back
Well,
there.
I'm saying they
So I'm going to adjourn this to July 10th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Council get together something for me to take a look at.
Okay,
regarding
y'all.
that,
They said I
as
interrupted the court and everything.
as well. Well, thank you. As well as seriously. She's looking at that. In case if I decide that he needs to at least pay one of these, how he would attempt, how he would do that. Case.
Sure. Thank you.
And on bench one on the other
so
case,
July
you
10th.
got a new ag assault. July 10th. Picked up on
Okay.
May 31st. Make sure that you
That's an
understand how to
alleged
work
case,
Zoom so
What?
you're not
That's an
interrupting
alleged
my
case,
court.
though. I was arrested for warrants.
Thank you.
Just for that case.
I realize it's alleged. They're all alleged until you come to court to take care of it. Back there.
Yeah, are you good if I not?
Yeah, that's right.
That was on that one.
I'll let you look into it.
Then you have an ag, you have,
Then y'all, they said I
was he just
interrupted the
on
court and
bench warrant
everything,
stat?
y'all.
What?
I believe so. I can verify that.
Seriously?